Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, make sure to click that subscribe button down below and click the bell to get notified every time I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Comment down below and you can get a notification shout out. Today, this will be really quick, like 20 seconds, is a collab with this awesome YouTuber named Juliana Payne, and I will link her YouTube channel at the top of the description, and I will link her video that she's collabing with me down below. It's also a hair video. She's doing hair care and she has like really long hair like me. I think it's even longer than mine. So you need to know our secrets because growing long hair is not that easy. For today's video, everyone dreams of having the perfect messy bun down. And I know it's hard, believe me, it's taken me a long time. But today I'm giving you 4 quick, easy, simple messy buns that will stay in place for hours and hours. And all you need is a hair tie. You don't need 1,000 bobby pins because that drives me insane. You know what, I'm gonna try to get straight to the point and just hop on with number 1. Also, I wanna say I recommend these elastics because they stretch out a lot, which means you can get like a bunch of times around it, if that makes any sense. But it's really good for messy buns. Put your hair, gather it up into a really high ponytail. Alright, so you're gonna pull the elastic through until you get on the last time around, which is different for everyone, but this one goes around like a zillion times like I told you. So you're gonna pull it pretty small to about the size you want your bun to be. Now obviously this looks ridiculous and it'll be different for everyone's different length of hair, but it should work for all of them. So now you're just gonna take this, just wrap it around and wrap it around, and once you reach the end you're gonna tuck it into the hair tie. Now you're just gonna kind of floof it up a little bit, and some pieces will fall out. That's okay. Just gonna grab them and tuck them in somewhere else into the hair tie. And usually if your bun is too small or too perfect looking, you pull at it, but mine's pretty good for now. And for pretty much all of these buns, I'm gonna pull out these little front pieces. If you have bangs, pull out the bangs, make it look a little more messy, and then you can pull the front forward. Boom, bun number 1. Another tip is to have texture to your hair. Do not do it off of freshly washed hair. Maybe put some dry shampoo or sea salt spray in yours. I didn't, but it's a good idea. Alright, bun number 2. I lied, you're also going to need a scrunchie for this one. So, you're going to pull it high, start with the elastic, and you're just going to do a straight up ponytail all the way through. Another tip to get a ponytail high on your head is to tilt your head back and kind of pull it forward. There we go. So now you're gonna grab the base of the ponytail and you're gonna kind of put your hair all around it like a waterfall in kind of a 360. It's a little bit harder with long hair, but then you're gonna switch hands and kind of gather it all like a little mushroom on top of your head. And now you're going to take the rest of the hair and twist it around the outside. And it doesn't need to be perfect. You don't need to keep the center perfect. It's just kind of a guideline. Once that's all up there, I can't even tell what it looks like right now, but you're just gonna put the scrunchie on. This one's a little more perfect looking, so I'm just gonna pull at it. All messy buns are trial and error. They look different every single time. There's not like a foolproof way. So now that I've pulled at it, then you take it in pieces and shove it back through the scrunchie. Now I'm gonna pull these front pieces down, and this is for a bigger volume bun. I never really go bigger than this. I'm not like a bun person, but this is number 2. This one's really easy to take out also, which is nice because the scrunchie never pulls at it. Bun number 3. First, you're gonna put it in a high pony. You're gonna split the hair into 2 parts, twist them clockwise, and then twist them around each other counterclockwise. Alright, it should look something like this. And now you're gonna pull out pieces and kind of floof it out. Also, you can kind of push it up. That'll tease it a little bit and give it more volume. So it should look kind of messy like this. It just gives it more volume. Now you're just gonna wrap it all around the top of your head. Use a second hair tie, it doesn't matter what kind. And voila. Ooh, that's a cute one. I need to do this one more. What the heck? That's cute. Alright, that's it for bun number 3. Bun number 4, this one doesn't look as messy, but it's amazing, super quick. I do this every day for work when I just throw it up. This one is honestly just for long hair. So you're gonna gather it at the top. You're gonna pull it through until you get to the last time around. Alright, so you have one more pull through, and watch carefully. You're just gonna grab the end of this. You should have this little loop. And then you just pull the hair tie halfway through. And it kind of looks like a little bow. And then I just kind of pull at pieces. And then I'll fold the half of the bow back through. And that's it for that one. It's just super fast and easy, and that's why I like that one. If it gets way too out of control, which doesn't usually, but it did this time, just kind of showing how you can always improvise. Just put a scrunchie around the whole thing. Alright. Guys, that is it for my messy bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out Juliana Payne's channel. She's awesome. Thanks for doing this collab with me, girl. Let me know down below what videos you want to see next. I have a bunch of ideas, but I like to hear your guys's because you're the ones I'm making the videos for. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.